Hi everyone, it's Jeff again. I'm in Japan and it's a very busy place. I'm waiting for lunch. It's also a very hot day. Now, if you've never been to Japan, there's all these vending machines. It's almost like one every 3 minutes or something like that. You see this? That's Mountain Dew. So I'm gonna put 100 yen in. And tsumetai just means cold, so we're gonna get it. Oh yeah, we have a can to take home. Alright. A Mountain Dew is how they call it. Alright. I'm gonna attempt to open this with one hand whilst recording on the road. Anyways. So there we are. We have it. So I don't know what to expect. I'm gonna walk a little bit to the river. Hopefully it's a decent river. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out either. Here we go. Oh yeah. That doesn't taste too bad. No real difference. Also, I don't have a selfie, so this is really bad. Same great taste wherever you are. Alright. Thanks guys. Catch you around.